Hello everybody, this is me Johan here. I've been using the Infinix Hot 10 for a week now. How did it fare? As usual, there were things I liked and things I didn't like. Before going ahead, I'd like to give a big shout out to my professor from college who gave me this phone of his to test out. Now let's dive into the review. At 6.8 inches, the display is massive in size. It's an LCD with its resolution being Full HD 720p. The build quality. The display is obviously made up of glass. The display type isn't mentioned though. Although the entire phone, including its frame, is constructed out of plastic, it didn't feel cheap and felt reasonably well built. The back has a glossy finish to it, which attracts a lot of fingerprints. Both the power and volume buttons have a good clicky feel. This ocean wave color I have with me looks unique and aesthetically pleasing to the eyes. This is definitely a good looking phone. Although weighing nearly 200 grams in weight, it never felt heavy and always felt comfortable to use. The weight distribution has been done really well. The fingerprint scanner is placed at the rear, and in terms of real world usage, it was quite fast and unlocked the phone almost every time. The animation, although, felt quite unnatural. The face unlock was quite fast and reliable all the time. A TPU case comes bundled in the box, which fits perfectly on the phone. Infinix's XOS 6, based on Android 10, is a skin filled with bloatware and feels rather half-baked and too similar to other Chinese skins. If you are used to other Chinese skins, you wouldn't mind this, but for stock Android users, this will feel too cluttered and cartoonish. Being a skin, it does come with its share of handy features. An eye care mode for nighttime usage, even screen recording with both silent and voice screen recording. A one-handed mode which can be used on the left and right-hand corner for people with small hands. A game mode to boost the overall gaming experience. A very convenient swipe down from the selfie camera to fire up the selfie camera. DTS sound adjustments to improve audio quality of music, gaming, and video. The phone comes bundled with a huge 5200 mAh battery, and with only a 720p display to run, the battery life was excellent and is easily a 2-day battery phone for moderate users. Even a heavy user will easily be able to squeeze out close to 1.5 days per charge. In terms of screen on time, the phone consistently returned over 8 hours of screen on time. The charging port is sadly not Type-C, but the old micro USB type. The included 10-watt charger in the box took 3 hours to charge the phone from nil to 100%. Performance-wise, the phone held up well enough. It is powered by the Helio G70 processor, which is a capable chip. The animations were fast enough, and the phone handled every task I threw at it without much fuss. Gaming was also a good experience on the phone. I was more than satisfied with its performance. The variant I have with me comes with 6 GB of RAM, and due to this, it could keep multiple apps open for long periods of time. RAM management-wise, the phone did a good job. Call quality and reception was good enough, and I didn't face any issues in this department. Overall, satisfied in this department. The brightness of the display under direct sunlight was strictly average. It had to be cranked to 100% for it to be legible. Anything below 100% made the display very dim and unusable under direct sunlight. It comes with dual SIM support along with a dedicated micro SD card support slot. The media watching experience was just alright. This clip is being played at 720p at 100% brightness. I feel Infinix should have increased the peak brightness of the display. The speaker is a single downward fairing speaker. The speaker gets surprisingly loud at maximum volume, but there is noticeable distortion at 100% volume. 80 to 90% volume is the sweet spot to listen to audio. For music lovers, there is good news. The quality of audio output and overall volume got out of the headphone jack using a good pair of earphones was quite good. Coming to the area of cameras, the Infinix Hot 10 comes with a 16 megapixel wide camera, 2 megapixel macro camera, 2 megapixel depth sensor, and a QVGA low light sensor and a quad LED flash. The selfie camera is an 8 megapixel sensor. In terms of real world usage, the rear cameras produce decent results overall, and for a phone under 10K, keeps up with the competition, but the selfie camera disappointed with rather average image quality. Stay tuned for my dedicated camera review, which will be out shortly, to get a detailed idea of its overall camera performance. To conclude, the Infinix Hot 10 at Rs 10K for a 6GB RAM, 128GB variant is a decently round up smartphone for people who are wanting a big display smartphone with respectable performance, superb battery life, customization options, and mainly for people who want to try other brands apart from Xiaomi, Oppo, and Vivo. So that's it for me today, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. If you guys loved the video, I'd appreciate it if you guys could give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and do hit the bell icon so that y'all get notified with the latest and greatest videos the second they uploaded on YouTube by me. So what else can I say? Wishing all of you a tremendous day ahead of you. Ciao for now.